Students, in this video we will learn about how can we perform calculation in Microsoft Excel. For that we will use cell referencing. Students, this is your first video in which you will learn how can we perform calculation in Microsoft Excel. So here data has been given. You can see three students data has been given here. Their roll number has been given, their name has been given, their marks of English has been given, Hindi marks has been given, maths marks has been given, and science marks has been also given. Now we are going to do calculation of that one. That means we will get the total number of a specific students. For that we are going to the target cell where we want to get the addition. So we will need the addition in total column. Okay students, so first we are going to add the marks of Ruchi, total marks of Ruchi. C has got 49, 80, 81, 45. So now we are going to start calculation with cell referencing. For that students, first we are writing here equal sign. Students, to perform any type of calculation we are first give equal sign. After then now we are giving here cell reference. That means we are giving cell address. The first one is that is C2 for English. After then press plus sign. After then D2, select D2. After then press plus sign, and now E2. After then plus sign, and the last one is the marks of science. Select that one also, F2, and after that no need to add plus sign. Okay students, after enter, press enter button. Now you can see here it is the total of Ruchi. That means in 4 subjects C obtains 255 marks. Okay students, by using autofill option or autofill feature we can copy and paste the same formula in the remaining 2 records. After then you get the addition of the number in remaining 2 records. They are for Prakash 237 and for Sarika, that is C obtains 267 marks. Students, here the benefit of cell referencing, that whenever we are using formula in the total in target cell, if we are making any change in any cell's value, it will automatically update its number, update its addition. So we are going to see that one. Students, now I am changing this one, marks of Ruchi. I have written here 49. I am increasing it up to 52. I am writing the number 52 in the place of 49. So 52 I have entered. Okay students, after then I am pressing enter button. You can get that it is automatically updated. That means here 258. In earlier it was 255, but now as we have changed the number of English, it was 49, and in the place of 49 I have written here 52, and you can see it is automatically updated by uh, Microsoft Excel. So if any type of formula we are giving and using that one, so Excel updating that one with itself. If we are using cell address, you can see also here that here we are using C2, C2, D2, E2 or F2. That means any type of changing we are uh, doing in any cell, that will automatically updated in total marks. Okay students, this video is over here.